Hi guys, this is a Wishmaster speaking, and we're gonna talk a little bit about Ethereum, what's been going on the latest days, because we have seen a significant drop in Ethereum to 350. The drop was higher than I expected. I suggest, if you haven't seen my previous video, I suggest you check it out, because we were talking on Saturday on the 25th about selling at 470, and we sold at 470, went higher up. And it even went higher on Monday. Monday the 29th. Yeah, on Wednesday, sorry, it even went higher on Wednesday. But we made a profit because we bought back at 440 and 420. Just like we expected in the previous video. You don't have to sell at the very top, and you don't have to buy back at the very bottom. It would be great if you could, but I didn't foresee that this would drop to 360, I think, 380. Didn't expect that, but that's okay, guys. I mean, we took profit. We have some profit. It's not bad. You don't have to get the maximum of the deal. I always put my orders a little bit lower, a little bit higher, depending on the situation, and you don't have to hunt those maximum profits, guys. It's gonna, well, sooner or later it's gonna break you and hurt you. And really it's gonna break you. Will this continue higher? Maybe. I think if we follow this green line, I think we're gonna have a slow steady rise again, or even a parabolic rise. If you look at the history, we can see a very similar situation up here. See, this was the early in May. We had a great period and we went high up here. If you compare it to previous levels, we had a double from 100 to 200, and then we dropped as well. We dropped big. We dropped to 120, and then it just went on its merry way. It went up, steady, up until we had the top here of 440, when it slowly went down. But again, we had this situation in history. Look, you see the three red candles, a lot of greens, high parabolic movement. What do we see here, guys? We have a parabolic movement. We have some red candles down. We might go back up. And if you follow the newsletters, I live in Belgium, and Bitcoin is all over the place. Bitcoin is unstoppable, $11,000. Bitcoin is going down, $9,000. Even an article of a guy that has Bitcoin miners. Bitcoin dropping again after reaching $11,000. Bitcoin breaks the boundary of $11,000. It's all over the fucking place. And this is a great hint I can give you guys. Do this. Go to trends.google.com and look at buy Bitcoin, and it shows you the trend of people googling certain keywords on a series of time. We are worldwide here for the last 12 months, and Bitcoin is skyrocketing. Bitcoin is fucking skyrocketing during end of November and to December. If you look, for example, the last 90 days, we are at a top 100% interest. So guys, I really don't think this is done. You have some weebos telling it's a bubble, old bankers and old investments. It's a bubble. Of course it's partially a bubble. We have mini bubbles and we go up, because these people don't understand the technology of what is going on. We have Ethereum, guys. These guys don't understand what the fuck it is. And I suggest you guys, if you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, look it up. Try to understand what is going on. What does the system do, and what are its values? That is very important. And these guys haven't even done their research. They don't know what the fuck blockchain is. Otherwise, they would be pouring money into this. Ethereum, the token mechanism on itself, is genius. You can have a full decentralized company on the blockchain where investors can pour money into and pull out in an instant of a time if they want. rules of companies will be embedded into smart contracts, and dividends will be pulled out for investors with smart contracts. Guys, these people don't understand what a technical revolution blockchain technology is. It's gonna be insane. The digital world needs a currency, needs a smart system with these people don't understand it, guys. I'm sorry if I'm babbling on, but if you are currently investing into cryptocurrencies, you will have I this time of your life for the next 5 years. I'm so certain of it, and I hope you guys really be careful with this. Read up, do your research. What is a blockchain? What is Bitcoin? What is Ethereum? What is Litecoin? What is Stratus? What is Lisk? You can keep. There are over 1,000 coins, guys. Eventually, this is stock market 2.0. If you think about it, you have tokens of companies, and everybody in the fucking world can invest into it. How fucking genius is that? How genius is that? Money will be pouring into these technology companies for years to come. Years. Because it's gonna take a shit amount of time before some people realize that some of these coins are utter shit as well. Some of these tokens, some of these companies have been receiving millions, and I can tell you now, guys, it's gonna take years before they can come up with the results. Okay, so some projects are already going live, like Singular DTV, and you have Augur, and you have Eatlands, and you have a bunch of 10 applications or something that are coming out at the end of the year. Okay, these are the start. We had over 1,000 initial coins offerings over the last months. It's gonna take years before people can actually measure and know if this company is worth something, and the token market will probably burn, not burn maybe, but only the reputable companies and the good companies will live to tell the tale, I think. In a way, it's actually a new .com bubble, but we are very early. But it's gonna stay. The big players are gonna stay out there. Ethereum is probably gonna stay in there. Bitcoin is probably gonna stay in there as well for a while. So I think if you're investing in those top 10 coins, guys, I think you will be safe. And if you want to experiment with tokens, and be my guest, guys, but I would put the biggest amount of my portfolio into the top 10. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Lisk is coming big for next year. I think Stratus is coming big as well. They are launching a test eco right now. Neo will be big. Dash will be very big, I think. I haven't invested in Dash right now because I think it's overextended right now. If you look, what a fucking parabolic movement. Last month we were at 300 and now we're almost triple. It could go higher, but I'm gonna wait till it pulls back, I guess. Huge fan about Dash right now. Not right now, but I've been looking into it lately. Like the idea, but maybe more about that later. I'm gonna stop babbling, guys, so happy trading, and I hope you keep safe during this period, because it might go follow the green line or might go down, but I think it's gonna trend upwards again over the next couple of days. Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, whatever, guys. Bye.